Years ago, my dad designed and built this bike rack from conduit, PVC, and 2x lumber. It rode on the top of our pop-up camper and allowed us to haul 5 bikes. The wheels of the bikes would sit in the cutout of the PVC, and a bungee cord would be used to keep them in place. A U-bolt with a plastic sleeve would fasten the frame of the bike to the rack, and depending on the size and or the design of the bike frame, it could be fastened in a number of different places, but for the most part, this rack was set up specifically for each bike it was going to haul. Now fast forward 20 years, and my family and I have been using this aluminum version that is similar to the one that my dad built years ago, and now instead of using it on our pop-up camper, we want to design it or redesign it to fit on the ladder rack rails we recently installed on our truck, and also modify it to handle the variety of different bikes that we all ride. And here is ultimately what we ended up with, but let's take a look to see how we got to this point. After bringing the rack into the garage, we had to start disassembling parts of it to adjust for the different tire and frame sizes of the 4 bikes that we were going to haul. I won't get into too much detail about how this bike rack works, and unfortunately the website that I originally purchased this from years ago is no longer up and running. But I would encourage you to ask any questions you have in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to respond. Instead of having the rack attached to the frame of the bike, this one is designed to hold the tires between the rails with an arm at each end to stabilize the bike. I had to cut some threaded rod, as this is what is used to keep the spacing between the rails based on the width of the bike tires. And since each tire is a different size or width, we redid them all. After grinding off the rough edges, we are ready to check to see if the width is correct. We then use 2 threaded fasteners that clip on the aluminum rail, and with the threaded rod fastened between them, it holds the tire of the bicycle in place, both widthwise and lengthwise as well. We work to get each bike fitted correctly to fit the rack. After a few adjustments here and there, we do one last look over to make sure that handlebars are not rubbing against each other and that there's enough room for pedal clearance on each bike. Everything seems to fit just right. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our biking adventures. Thanks for watching.